To give yourself admin in your Roblox games, start by opening Roblox Studio and selecting the place where you want to grant admin access. Ensure the toolbar is turned on. Then search for Admin in the search bar next to Models. Select the Coles Admin Infinity option and drag it into your game. Next, navigate to the Explorer. Find Coles Admin Infinity and expand it. Underneath, expand, credit, and double-click Settings. In the script, locate Local Owners and Superadmins, and between the brackets, add a semicolon followed by your exact username. Paying close attention to capitalization. Close the settings. Then play the game to test your new admin status. You should now have access to admin commands, confirming your successful grant of admin privileges.